System is approaching a watershed moment. The XRP ledger ecosystem is on the verge of a game-changing breakthrough, with plans to build a second ledger developed especially to support XRP as its native asset. Jake, an independent Evernote evangelist and Hot Pocket developer, recently came to Twitter to promote the forthcoming debut of the Hooks sidechain, which would use XRP as its native asset. With its unique characteristics and applications, the development will revolutionize the XRPL. Earlier this year, it was claimed that an XRPL developer stated that the planned sidechain has undergone a security audit, with further improvements in the works. According to Jake's most recent update, the Hook sidechain is powered by the XRPL consensus. The protocol seeks to bring a variety of novel features, applications, and growth prospects previously imagined on the XRP ledger. Jake underlined that integrating hooks would allow developers to construct and launch an assortment of goods and functions without the time-consuming process of making direct changes on the underlying network, which may take months. The most noticeable feature of the Hooks sidechain, according to the Hot Pocket developer, is its startling resemblance to the mainnet. The move from the XRPL to Hooks sidechain is expected to be simple for developers, teams, and organizations due to the same interface for ledger framework and consensus mechanism. This parallel structure assures that Hooks sidechain provides fertile ground for research and development operations, allowing the XRPL ecosystem to progress more quickly. Jake also stressed Hooks sidechain's immense potential for expediting R&D activities. Additionally, Jake stated that Hooks would enable XRPL users to draw greater value from the network in a user-friendly manner. He believes that when the Hooks sidechain and related solutions like Evernote acquire popularity, XRP's reputation will go beyond that as a gas currency. This means that the network's applications, user base, and liquidity will create organic demand for XRP, establishing it as a critical asset in the XRPL ecosystem. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to be among the first to learn about the latest XRP developments. The Securities and Exchange Commission has removed a major portion of William Hinman's biography from its website. With only 8 days until Hinman's emails are made public, the SEC has erased a substantial portion of his biography from its website. Hinman's biography on the SEC website contains important information on the former director of the SEC's Corporation Finance Division, particularly his job history. His profile on the SEC website, however, just states that Hinman was the former director of this SEC's Corporation Finance section from May 2017 to December 2020. The news has stirred responses among members of the XRP community, who are eagerly awaiting the release of Hinman's correspondence. Many XRP supporters believe the SEC is planning to throw Hinman under the bus by releasing an unredacted version of Hinman's correspondence in the next 8 days. It's worth noting that Hinman's emails have become a critical component of the SEC versus Ripple case. Remember that immediately after the SEC charged Ripple with violating U.S. securities laws, the prominent blockchain startup requested drafts of Hinman's 2018 speech to strengthen its fair notice defense. Hinman deemed Bitcoin and Ethereum non-securities in his 2018 speech, but did not discuss the legal status of XRP, despite its prominence as one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies. At the time, the SEC tried all in its power to keep Hinman's documents from being turned over to Ripple. The Commission's efforts to keep Hinman's materials sealed, however, were futile. Judge Annalisa Torres refused the SEC's attempt to seal the content of Hinman's emails last month. The court determined that the parties should unseal after a joint request for a 1-week extension. On June 13, 2023, Hinman's emails and other summary judgment evidence will be released. XRP positive indications in XRP's charts have been discovered by prominent traders, indicating the possibility of a large upward leap. Furthermore, famous traders have recognized bullish signals in the charts of XRP, indicating the possibility of a large upward advance. Amid these bullish projections, XRP recently had its greatest weekly close in over 55 weeks, increasing investor confidence. 360 Trader mentioned this while providing a weekly chart in which XRP broke through the resistance level of $0.50. The end of the week for XRP reaffirmed its conquest of the $0.50 zone, leaving only one resistance zone below the $0.60 zone. The last resistance level is at $0.58. 360 Trader predicted that after XRP broke through the resistance level of $0.58, it would embark on a spectacular run. This resistance point served as the previous opposition to XRP's March rally, as the upsurge came to a halt when XRP dropped from the $0.58 price on March 29. Furthermore, CryptoBull, another well-known chartist, just confirmed that XRP reached its greatest weekly close in 55 weeks. Notably, the asset ended the previous week at $0.50 per share. XRP last achieved this accomplishment in the first week of May 2022. This nearly eliminates the fierce barrier that XRP has always encountered at $0.49. XRP is currently attempting to break through the next level of resistance at $0.58. Despite this strong surge, sentiments about XRP have recently been mostly favorable, especially with updates on the SEC versus Ripple litigation anticipated in less than 2 weeks. An anonymous trader named Theftlowhorse emphasized XRP's proclivity for a rise, pointing out the asset's launchy-looking position. The Flowhorse also noted that the XRP spot market is exhibiting a buy pattern that is out of the ordinary. What are the possibilities of Ripple prevailing in the lawsuit? Now for the big question of the day. What are the possibilities of Ripple winning the lawsuit? Please remember to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to be among the first to learn about the latest XRP developments. Following Ripple's recent victory over the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, prominent XRP lawyer John Deaton offered his predictions for the ongoing dispute, shedding insight into the potential results. Deaton addressed the options and implications of a ruling, focusing on the numbers Annalisa Torres is a judge. He thought a total triumph for the Securities and Exchange Commission was unlikely, with a probability of less than 3%. Deaton, on the other hand, projected a 25% likelihood of a clean victory for Ripple, where the judge would not consider early XRP sales a breach. According to Deaton, the most important point of contention is whether the judge will let the jury assess whether Ripple had reasonable notice. The lawyer stated that the issue is critical to the XRP community, with over 76,000 XRP holders joining as amicus and submitting a brief emphasizing the alleged secondary market sales. Deaton underlined his anxiety and disappointment, saying he would be surprised if Judge Torres dismissed the secondary market sales argument. He was certain that XRP would not be classified as a security. Even if the judge found Ripple in violation of the legislation, Deaton contended that it would not apply to secondary market sales. Deaton offered a 50% possibility in a conceivable situation in which the judge takes a middle ground approach. The lawyer envisioned a ruling in which sales before 2018 would meet the Howey test, while current and future secondary market sales would not be considered securities. According to Deaton, this conclusion would be a full win for Ripple because it would clear the door for a post-ruling settlement. When asked about the finality of the judge's decision, Deaton stressed that the judge's decision does not necessarily end the lawsuit. Instead, it may decide whether the case goes to a jury trial. Notably, the judge has the option of concluding the matter by proclaiming an outright victory for either party or sending it to a jury trial. Finally, Deaton's analysis of the probable outcomes exposed the complexities of the Ripple litigation, where either Ripple or the SEC is unlikely to win entirely. So, gentlemen, we've reached the end of this video. If you loved it, please share the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. This is quite beneficial to my understanding of the YouTube algorithm. Also, by sharing this video with as many people as possible, you can help enlighten others as you have been enlightened. Guys, let's spread the word everywhere. Don't miss any of our stuff if you're a true Bitcoin enthusiast. See you tomorrow to discuss the newest news that affects us all as a community.